Hey, how are you? In my previous session, we spoke about inflections, adding S to the verb, and we did a little chant and we tried to remember. When the noun is singular, we add S to the verb. When the noun is plural, we don't add S. Now, we are going to do inflections adding ed and ing to the verb. Um, when we add ed to the verb, that means something has happened in the past. What are the clues that is going to tell us that something has happened in the past? It could be yesterday, day before, last night, last month, last year, at lunchtime, at dinner time. All these are going to tell us that something has happened in the past. And then we are automatically going to add ed to the verb. Then another thing that we're going to do is adding ing to the verb. And when do we add ing? That is when we know that something is happening right now in the present. And the indications could be that after the noun, before the verb, we have is, am, and are. These clues are going to tell us that something is happening in the present and we are going to add ing to the verb. Let's go through the exercises and then we'll get a clear idea how it's done. You can read along with me. Number one is the dog dashed loudly last night. And the verb is bark. Now, what are the clues that is telling us that something has happened in the past and that is last night? So, we are going to change the verb bark into barked. Let's look at number two. You can read with me. Sam dashed to school yesterday. The verb is walk. And what is the clue? Yesterday. That is telling us that this thing has already happened in the past. So we are going to change walk into walked. All right, let's go to number three. Shiza is dash hot coffee. The verb is drink. Now, is this sentence telling us that something has happened in the past? No, it is telling something has happened, something is happening right now with is. Is telling us that Shiza is right now drinking hot coffee. So we are going to add ing to the verb and it will become drinking. Let's look at number four. Sam and Jane are dash. The verb is paint. Now, this are is telling us that something is happening right now. So we are going to automatically write ing and it is going to become painting. Number five is they dash on the trampoline a week back. Now, what is telling us that something has already happened a week back? So, this jump will become jumping or jumped. 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 P-E-D. All right. You guys will have to do a lot of exercises to get expert in this. And don't worry, you'll get a hang of it soon. And I'll be adding more lessons in my upcoming sessions. Till then, see you. Have a nice time. Bye.